What's that? It's a flamingo. Yeah. What color is it? Pink. That's my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Oh, wow. Let's see if we can stand on one leg like a flamingo. Do you think we could do it? It's pretty hard. But you can do hard things. I can do hard things. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I fell down, but that's okay. I can always get back up again. Uh-oh. Oh, no. We need to help these animals get back to their homes. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you. Oh, it's an octopus. Does an octopus live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. There he goes. Yay! Oh, a cow. Does a cow live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, at the farm. Bye, cow. You live at the farm. Oh, a fish. Does the fish live in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. The fish swims in the ocean. Good job. Oh, I see a pig. I see a pig. Do you think the pig goes in the ocean? Or does the pig live at the farm? Yes, at the farm. Pigs like the farm. Good job. Whoa, whoa, it's a big whale, the biggest animal in the world. Do you think the whale goes in the ocean or at the farm? Yes, in the ocean. Good job. We're almost done sorting the animals. Oh, the last one is a horse. Does the horse go in the ocean or at the farm? You got it right, at the farm. You did it. I'm so proud of you. You sorted all the animals, and they're so happy to be back in their homes. Where's my daddy? We need to help the foal find his daddy. Do you see the daddy horse? Yeah, he's behind the fence. He's behind the fence. Daddy also starts with the letter D. Can you say daddy? Daddy. Good job. Daddy. Daddy. He's galloping over. Daddy came over. Good job. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunnies. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 and stop. I'm tired. Let's go back to sleep. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Ding, 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 ding. That's the alarm clock. We need to wake up and skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, Let's hop again.